What's going on, guys? Will's Bonsai back again, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own bonsai soil. This is going to be a DIY soil, and it should be fairly cheap and easy. It was around $25, $30 to get all the stuff in bulk, so I could probably make a ton of different bags of soil just like this one right here. I meant to say, if you guys need the pumice, this is a great bag of pumice to use. This actually arrived after I shot this video, so that's why I'm not using pumice for this video, but here is also the material of pumice. So here are the materials you're going to want to use for your DIY bonsai. We're going to try this together because I've never made this once. I know the soil conditioner will probably work. I know this is a good calcined clay alternative right here. But if you guys want to preferably replace the poultry grit, it says crushed granite, preferably replace that with pumice if you guys can. I think it will allow for better drainage. Let's go ahead and try this together. Oh, and as well as some perlite. I threw that in the mix, so yeah. It's repot season too, so I thought I'd keep y'all updated. This is crazy. Look how many different trees I have going. Japanese maples, junipers, blackberry, dwarf jades, ton of different trees. And this isn't even everything. This is just the stuff I've repotted and kept up by my driveway recently. The recipe I'm doing is 4 quarts. You're gonna want some sort of quart mixing bucket with cups or quarts on it. I have a shovel, I have a mixing bucket, and then I have an empty bag to put my 4 quarts of soil in. This is the recipe. I'm making 4 quarts. First things first, we got our Timberline bark fines, and this seems like it is a very good option. This is gonna work great. It's very dark and moist, but it has just the perfect amount of bark and wood chips and a little bit of added soil for this. So this is gonna be great. The recipe calls for 1.5 quarts. So let's go ahead and start doing this. There we go, that's about 1.5 quarts. Let's go ahead and put it in here. Next, we have 1/2 quart of perlite. So let's go ahead. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour the amount in here, and you guys wanna sift out that extra dust that comes with this perlite, and same thing with the calcined clay. So just about 1/2 quart. Now, go ahead, pour this in here, and watch this. Pretty dusty, I can't even lie. All right, so let's go ahead. This is about 1/2 quart, so let's go ahead and pour that in. You know, maybe do a little mix just to get it. Go ahead, look at that. It's gonna look crazy with too much perlite at first, but we're gonna try that. So same thing, let's go ahead and measure out the exact, you're gonna want 1 quart of the calcined clay material. So we're gonna go ahead and measure out 1 quart, and then we're gonna sift it of the dust and maybe add a little bit more. Now let's go ahead, pour that in here. Go ahead, sift it out as well. Pour that back in and make sure it still adds up to 1 quart. Yeah, it's about 1 quart right there. So let's go ahead and mix that in. Before our last step, I'm gonna just throw in some Osmocote. This is optional, just pre-fertilizer, the little dots that you see in any soil. For the last step, let's go ahead and cut this open. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's a good example right there. It's about 1 quart. Here we go. I'm gonna get a bigger bowl for this. Go ahead and look at that. I know it doesn't look like much especially because the calcine clay is gray, so it just blends in with everything else, but this is a very good blend of perlite, rocky mixture, and some regular potting soil, nearly the soil conditioner. So this is great. I'm excited to try this out with my bonsai. So obviously I'm excited to try this for my bonsai. I will keep you guys updated. You guys will see me using this soil and it looks great. Maybe I shouldn't have added as much perlite, but I think it's gonna work great. Great drainage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and thank you, Jesus. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one.